Okay, guys, yesterday we said that Apple stock need to break through this level, and if you can break through this level, then we are itching higher to new territories. Now, looking at the monthly chart, you realize that for the past 3 months, Apple stock has been on an uptrend, and right now there's nothing stopping it. As you can see, there's no resistance, nowhere around here that is going to stop this the level of which this thing is running. Is it the right time to buy? I will always wait for pullback. I will always wait for pullback. But people will say, well, what about if it doesn't pull back? Well, stocks don't always go up. If you watch here, it pull back. It pull back here, it pull back. So I'll wait for a pullback and then I'll get in if you want to go there, if you want to invest in this particular stock. But as we see it, Apple is doing well. But for those who want to buy this, wait for a pullback and then you can join the party. I hope this helps as we continue to track this stock. See you next time.